Welcome to the channel, everyone. So you'll notice in my Polaris Ranger 1500 I have a check engine light over here on the side. So in order to check the codes that this thing has, there's 3 buttons off to the side here. The middle button has like a gauge picture on it. You want to hold the middle button until the words pop up here. It actually automatically goes to the diagnostic code deal. But if you want to change stuff, you use your arrows and you can change stuff on here. But you're looking for the diagnostic code. So when it says that, push the middle button once and there's your code. So this code here keeps popping up on my Ranger. If you don't touch the buttons for a little bit, it goes back to the original screen. But that code's been popping up on my Ranger off and on. Did a little research. It's a communications code, I guess. It's not a serious code, so I'm not worried about it leaving me stranded. I don't believe it's not putting my Ranger in limp mode or anything. The Ranger is driving just fine. From what I understand, when people go to get the new transmission tune, that code stops showing up. So I'm going to guess, I bought this thing used. I'm going to guess that it doesn't have the updated transmission tune in it. I'm not really having any drivability issues like I've heard. So I'm not really in a rush to get the new transmission tune. But yeah, anyway guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. It's pretty easy to check the codes on this. I don't have ride command. I know you can check it on ride command, but I don't have ride command. Neither will the open cab 1500s. They won't have ride command either. So yeah, anyway guys, just a quick video. Hopefully this will help people out checking their codes and stuff like that. I'll see you.